Let's practice English conversation. Learning method. 1. Listen to the audio at a slow speed. 2. Listen to the audio at a normal, medium speed. 3. Listen to the audio at the speed of fluent speakers. Don't forget to repeat.
How are you? How are you?
How are you?
What's your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you? How old are you?
How old are you?
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
What time is it? What time is it?
What time is it?
How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
I'm sorry, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know.
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
How much does it cost? How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
Can I take a message? Can I take a message?
Can I take a message?
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now?
Are you busy right now?
Can we meet later? Can we meet later?
Can we meet later?
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
What do you do for a living?
How was your day? How was your day?
How was your day?
I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for being late.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
I'm lost. Can you help me find my way? I'm lost. Can you help me find my way?
I'm lost. Can you help me find my way?
How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English?
How long have you been learning English?
What's your favorite movie/book/song? What's your favorite movie/book/song?
What's your favorite movie/book/song?
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
Can I borrow your pen/pencil? Can I borrow your pen/pencil?
Can I borrow your pen/pencil?
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I'm really tired. I'm really tired.
I'm really tired.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Let's go out for dinner. Let's go out for dinner.
Let's go out for dinner.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I love this place. I love this place.
I love this place.
I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you again.
I can't wait to see you again.